Hi, so I'm going to show you this tab joining method here today. Single page tab method is a great way for making a little junk journal. One is themed with things that I love. So anyway, I'll show you how I did this. The first thing I need to do is cut myself some little fabric tabs. I'm going to do them an inch. And you could use any fabric for making your journal tabs. So we have our little pieces of material and our first two sheets here. So we'll want our spacing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'll remove 2. And I'm going to glue the 3 tabs down with just a little glue to the edge of the fabric that is going to attach to this page. I don't want any glue on the center of the fabric tab. So that's the 3 on that one. Now we're going to get this lined up. Two on this one. So now we're going to put that page over and line up. And glue the 3 tabs. And I'm not putting them right tight. I'm trying to leave a little space. So if I have thicker pages because of embellishments, then they won't be propped out. So there we have our 2 tabs. And we're going to get our next page. And on that one, we're going to put 3. 3, 2, 3, 2. So we'll line this up here. Keeping them in line with your 3 from your other 3 page. Then you're going to put that one over. Line it up with the rest. And now we're going to fold over the 2. And here we are, and now we'll do 2 this time to try to keep track. Okay, so here I've got 3 again, because the last one was 2. Then put that on and fold over the 2. And we're ready for the next. So I'll just keep going on like this. 3, 2, 3, 2, and till I get all the pages that I want, and then I will make a cover. Handy little way to join single pages, and it also gives it that crafty decorative look. So, because probably when I do my cover, I'll leave all that exposed, all those ribbon strips. It's a nice little decorative way, depending on what fabric or tape or whatever you use to join. And look, it lays really nice as well. So you can flip through it easily. And you could easily, if you had thick pages with a lot of different things stuck on them, like raised, whatever, you could easily leave a little more space in your ribbon strips and make it so it still lays flat. So I'll add a bunch of pages more in this tab with it, and when I get it all done and go to put a cover on it, I will share that with you. Thanks for creating with me.